my channel. So today I'm here with one of my best friends, Olivia, and we are doing we're doing for a minute.
We're doing the Not My Arm Slime Challenge.
I've never done a slime video on my channel, so I thought this would be a fun way to start off with it. So yeah, we're gonna be doing two parts. In this part, she's gonna be the one doing the a slime, and I'm gonna be the one with the body frontwards, and then the next part is going to be doing the vice versa. So after the two videos are done, make sure you guys comment down below who you think which slime was better. We don't know yet, obviously, but watch both of the videos first, because that's not fair. Watch both of the videos first and then decide and comment. So yeah, so if you're new, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and let's get right on into the video. We have glue, shaving cream, contact solution, essential oil, a spoon, essential oil, and we don't use borax. A marker for color. Life hack. Okay, so. We don't use borax because it's dangerous to us. But yeah. I'm so comfortable. I can't. We don't have any clear glue, by the way. So we're gonna take this glue, this scallop of white glue. That smells amazing. Oh my god. We're gonna take the bowl and we're gonna pour it right in the bowl. Okay, now cream. We're gonna put that in the bowl. We're gonna take a lot, and we're gonna swirly. We're gonna mix it up. We're gonna mix it. We're just doing regular fluffy slime. We don't want to go adventurous. Take the food coloring, aka marker. I can't. I got it. Okay, now we're gonna take the food color, aka marker. We didn't have food coloring, so now we're using marker.
This is good.
This is cool. Okay, my wedgie. We're gonna squeeze it out. Oh, we zoomed the camera in a little bit.
And
it's a little crooked, isn't it?
It's okay. Don't mind that.
Don't mind the crookedness. The essential oil, it can smell good.
This is mango scent.
Mango.
I'm not looking at it.
Why don't you put it in
I'm just gonna look to see how much it is. Yeah. No, we're kind of cheating.
I know. And mine will do it better. We'll put the activated, the contact solution, and now we're gonna mix it until it's activated. Like this, everyone. Oh wow, it's blobby. We're gonna mix it, we're gonna add more, and then mix it until it's complete.
I think we're done, so get up.
Okay. Now,
wait, I'm just gonna see if it's actually activated.
Yeah. She's not cheating. Well,
because I'm done.
She's just done.
I'm just seeing
if it's activated.
It's a really pretty pink.
It's really pretty. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. It's awesome. Hers turned out really good. See if I can compete. AMSR.
This is a really good video. I mean, slime. That's good.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is what Olivia's slime turned out to look like. It's really good. Yeah, she showed you. But it's really good. And yeah, so stay tuned for part 2, which will go upload soon after this video, where I'm going to be doing my slime, and make sure you guys vote in the comments down below whose slime is better after watching the 2 videos when they are uploaded. What do you rate your slime out of 1 out of 10?
10.
10 out of 10. Yeah, I really like it. So to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh my god, this is scary. This is a weird position. Yeah. Yeah.
I can't see. Is that the point?
Wait, don't you have to get in my jacket? I have to get in my jacket. Remember? I have to like put my arms. You have to put your arms in my jacket. I zip them here. I swear to God. No. Okay. Yes. That's not how you do it, dude.
Hold the table.
Okay. Oh. Okay, is it good? Are you gonna squeeze it?
This is like so dumb.
Oh my god.
I'm kind of cheating, but I don't care.
Okay, who cares anymore? Is it hard? I don't think it's hard.
Nobody judge us.
No one judge us. We're gonna cheat. Oh well. No one judge.
Is it still good?
That's fine, yeah. Are you supposed to be in a Minecraft? Yeah. Oh, there's an airplane. Come on, that. Okay. I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit. There we go. We zoomed the camera in a little bit.
And because
It's a little crooked, isn't it?
it's okay. Don't mind.
Don't mind.
It might be my mom. Wait,
Is
watch
it
out.
honest? Seriously? Now?
Maybe my mom's
Or me?
Or is that you?
It's me. Hi. Hi. Okay.
What if I stepped in the bathroom?
Did you? Did you?
No, did you? Yeah.
Her slime turned out amazing. Yeah.
It's really good.
It's really Gucci.